Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a add-on. And I'm using this one right here, right there. This one, if you type in add-ons for Minecraft, you just want to click on more. I'm doing add-on, Baby Yoda add-on. And you have to click on down resource packs. And then we have to click on behavior packs as well. And then after that, you better install the resource pack. And how to install something, right? It's the new thing for the thing. You want to save the files and go to Minecraft, go to games and wait for it to go down, com.mojang, and click on resource packs. Press save and you'll be good to go. Then click on the behavior pack, go into save to files, and like as same, it'll load. But instead, we're going to go to behavior packs and press save. And there we go. Let's go into Minecraft. So after you load in, you'll have all this stuff. And what I'm going to go is, as you can see, we have our pack right here. So we're going to activate that, and then going to go to this one and find our activate. Looks like we have ours on already. Resource pack. I'm going to get rid of this one. And we're going to press play. You can spawn in Baby Yoda. And look at that. It's in our game. Implanted in our game. A lot of graphics and details. But there we go. We have Baby Yoda. It's pretty cool. We can feed it soup, I guess. Oh, look at that. So this is the one he actually feeds and drinks the soup. So that's actually really cool. So, yeah. That's all, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.